Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Wfit Watch S6, and one of its main feature is the watch faces. So this smartwatch is preloaded with several watch faces, and on this video we are going to download a watch face from its support app, the Wfit app, as well as we'll check if there is a custom watch face for this wearable. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces, the preloaded watch faces, the downloadable watch faces, as well as the custom watch faces for our Huafit Watch S6, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces for our Huafit Watch S6. So we have here, as you can see, it is preloaded. Okay, long press and you can change the watch face. So we have, how many watch faces do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 6. Okay, swipe to check out the other watch faces. It's all black except for this one. Okay, I guess this is a custom watch face. Long press again, and set. Settings for your screen display are, let's go to the settings. So we have the brightness adjustment, we have the on-screen time, 15 is the highest. We have the theme here, that is for the menu. Lift your wrist to bright up the screen, we have it here. Bedside lamp mode, and okay, so this one is for the notifications. So it lights up the screen when you receive notifications. Okay, so that's it for the settings for the screen display. Regarding the watch face, go to the support app. So we have the Wfit application. Go to the dial section, and we have here the dial library, or the watch face library. Okay, so it's all ID here. There's no name for the watch face, only ID for identifications, ID number. There's no category also. So let's check out. So here are the list of watch faces for the Alon Wafit Watch S6. It is a combination of digital and analog watch faces. The collection is good here. There's a lot of options, as you can see. Okay, I like this one, very light. Okay, very simple, but I like the color combination of this one. I think it's an avocado. So let's scroll more, and that's it. Again, going up. We'll go back to this one later on. So here are the available watch faces. Okay, beautiful analog watch faces, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it. So let's have a sample. Let's have a demo on downloading a watch face. Let's pick this one. Tap on this. ID over 1,000 plus downloads already. Let's try to sync the dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch, the Wfit Watch S6, switch to download mode. Okay, very fast so far, as you can see. 78, 80+%, 90. And we have our watch face here. So far, the speed for downloading the watch face is very good. Very fast. Although there's no category, we do have a lot of watch faces here. All are free. Okay. Next, let's have the custom watch face. Okay, select from album. I guess you can only use one photo at a time. There's no gallery. Okay, so we will allow the permission here while using the app. Again, select from the album, select from album, then downloads. We'll use this bird. Okay, crop the picture, and we have here our photo. You can change the position of the time, center bottom, change the color. Okay, we'll pick a good color here, black. Okay, I guess white. Seems like white is much better, or lighter color. Okay, that's it. Then, so there's no other settings for it, like time or additional information. Guess all we have to do is just tap on the application button here, and let's see. And now, as you can see, it is downloading the watch face, the custom watch face. 20%. Let's wait. Okay, it's more than 50% now. Okay, it's almost finished, and in just a few seconds we'll have our custom watch face. And we have here our custom watch face. Let's see if our previous watch face has been deleted. Okay, how many watch face do we have? 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so you can only add one watch face at a time, and as you can see here, you cannot delete the previous watch face. Okay, if you like a custom watch face, you can download or you can add, but when you download additional watch face from the dial gallery, your custom watch face will be gone. The same with the watch face from the dial gallery. Once you apply a custom watch face, your previous watch face will be overwritten, or it will be deleted. Okay, so that's it for our guide or demo for downloading of watch faces for our Wfit Watch S6, as well as the custom watch face. If you have any questions regarding the tutorial on downloading a watch face or dial, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.